everyone, this is Pradip and welcome back to the channel with the new video, new openings and new hopes. Guys, today I'm going to share around 13 to 14 companies openings of software testing, software developer and cyber security as well. And 2-3 openings are full stack developer as well. So do not skip the video. Just watch till the end, and if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe for more job related updates, more mock interview questions, more mock interviews also. Okay, so let's get started with the company name, their eligibility criteria, their application procedure and subject line of the that your email. So let's start it with the first company name. The first company name is Dev QA Experts. They are hiring for QA engineer. Experience they are expecting 2 to 5 years. Job location will be Indore, and the subject line of this email like QA engineer slash the experience which you have, right? Means they are expecting the experience of 2 to 5 years. So experience you need to mention in the subject line also. Skills, the sets required: manual testing, automation testing, Java or Python. Okay, those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profile on devqaexperts@gmail.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Pradip Technologies. They are hiring for QA engineer. Job location will be Bangalore. It will be the hybrid work mode, and vacancies they are hiring 3 positions. They are expecting 3 to 5 years of experience in functional testing, automation testing role. Okay, hands-on experience in test plan development and test case generation, test plan execution, and should know agile methodologies. Okay, those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profile on sunil.jha@broadridge.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can share on see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Mcline Technologies. They are hiring for quality analyst. Job location will be Noida. Timing US shift, and it's only work from office only. Experience required 1+ years. Those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profile on prakash.chandra@jaspercolin.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, before sharing the resume guys, please make a note of it. Email ID should be clear. Okay, if anything later will be missed, you will get an email bound back, so make sure of it. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Kalos Technologies. They are hiring for QA engineer with the experience of 2 to 4 years. Minimum 2 years experience they are expecting. Below 2 years of experience do not accept a call. So do not share this resume to the experience. Those are having less experience, less than 2 years. Skills required: manual and API is mandatory. Job location will be Noida, Pune, Indore and Ahmednagar. Notice period immediate or serving a notice period. Who can join in 10 to 15 days, they can share their profiles. Okay, those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profiles on shruti.purjabia@colwez.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, guys, one more important thing is guys, I am not a hiring person, I am just sharing this information to the job seeker. If anyone asks money for the interview, it might be a fake, so do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Please make a note of it guys. Okay, let's move on the next company guys. The next company name is FX Consulting. It might be a consultant, or it's your turn if you want to share the profile or not. The FX Consulting, they are currently hiring a DevOps engineer. Okay, skill set required, they are DevOps, Docker, Cucumber and AWS Cloud. Experience they are expecting 2 to 7 years. Job location will be Gurgaon, and looking for the immediate or maximum 30 days of notice period, who is surviving the notice period. And important thing is get who can available face-to-face interview on the weekend. Okay, those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profile on rahul.negi@fxconsulting.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Conduct Technologies. They are hiring for a manual test engineer. So subject line should be manual test engineer and your experience. So okay. So it's a work from home opportunity, guys. It's a remote work. So company name is Conduct Tech, and role is senior tester QA manual testing. So it should be mentioned in your subject line. So senior tester QA hyphen manual testing, it should be mentioned in your subject line, and hyphen you need to mention your experience. They are expecting experience 3+ years. Okay, those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profiles on this email ID which is showing on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Upsc Technologies. They are hiring for a QA automation engineer. Experience they are expecting 2 to 6 years. Experience in FPM, it's mandatory. Location for this position is Gujarat. And one more hiring they are one more opening they are hiring. So technical recruiter is the position name. Experience freshers, same. Job location will be Ahmednagar, Gujarat. And those are interested for this position. They are hiring 2 positions, guys, QA automation engineer and technical recruiter. Those are interested for this position, they can share their profiles on dhiral.s@upsquare.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, before moving to the next company, guys, we have started a resume building services, guys. Those who are interested for paid resume building services, they can reach me on this WhatsApp number. Since last 2-3 weeks, guys, our many resumes got shortlisted and many candidates got selected and got offer letter also. The particular screenshot I have shared on our Instagram, those are selected. I have shared this screenshot on the Instagram, so please do check the Instagram first. My Instagram profile link you can find in the description. And those who want a daily WhatsApp job alert, they can also join our WhatsApp group. That WhatsApp group link also I have mentioned in the description, so please do check the description. Okay, let's move on the next company, guys. The next company is Smart Group Technologies. They are hiring for a QA engineer. Experience they're expecting 1 to 3 years. Job location will be Pune. Skill sets required: manual testing, automation testing, Selenium with Java, and SQL and JMeter. Okay, those are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, they can share their profiles on ragini.smartgroup.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling, they can see on the screen. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Mcline Technologies. They are hiring for a cyber security specialist. Many candidates are DM me, guys. Please drop a job on cyber security and full stack also. So in this video, both you are going to see. Okay, so this is the cyber security profile. Requirements like proven experience in malware analysis and reversing, strong analytical research and data presentation skills, depth in knowledge of cybersecurity threats and all the technologies of cybersecurity. Okay, those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profiles on gitan@mcagent.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. And one more thing, guys, they are expecting the experience of 2+ years. Okay, please make a note of it. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Worksoft, and they are hiring for a .NET developer, a trainee engineer. So dots are fresher, job location will be Hyderabad. Okay, those are interested, they can share their profile on their web portal. That web portal link I have given in the description, so please check out the link in the description and apply accordingly. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Outsourcewell Technologies. Okay guys, they are hiring for a full stack developer, right? Since last 2-3 weeks I am getting many DMs, so please update us on full stack developer also. So this is for them. They are hiring for full stack developer. Job location will be Hyderabad and it will be the work from office only. Okay, working 6 days, second and fourth Saturday will getting weekly off. Okay guys, minimum 4+ years of experience they are expecting as a full stack developer. Candidate should possess strong expertise in Node.js, React.js and MySQL. Okay, candidates should have experience in agile and scrum development, and those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profiles on alisha.outsourcewell.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Mcline Technologies. They are hiring for automation and manual testing. The job role they are expecting in subject line is QA analyst. Okay, while you sending the resume to this, so you need to mention the QA analyst and hyphen your experience and name. So experience they're expecting 0 to 2 years. Those are interested and fulfill this criteria, they can share their profiles on jobs@mcline.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company, guys. The next company name is Cloudedius Technologies. They are hiring for software test engineer manual, right? So job location will be Bangalore. Experience 2 to 8 years. Skill set Python, network products like L1, L2, L3 testing. Education BTech or MTech. Okay. If anyone interested or fulfill this criteria, they can share their profiles on renew.claudius.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, that's it. I have already shared you around 13 companies opening. Okay. In the last, I will guys request you, if you still not like the video, just hit the like button and share this video as much as possible. Those are searching a job in IT industry, cybersecurity industry, and software developer, right? So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.